No. You said Chick-fil-A.
That's gonna be the intro. It's okay.
If you're late, you have to like put a reason why, which I always just type none because it's like, sure there was slavery, but we also had sick camcorders like that.
Well, not during the same time. Just so you know, I'm filming you.
Oh God. My bones vibrate at a frequency that is matched by punk music.
Did you say punk?
Like, punk music makes me feel not that anxious, because it matches the anxiety.
Really?
And, like, levels it out. I'll forever be an insect. Confident. I like myself and everyone else a lot.
Yeah, and if you fall, I'm in a great spot.
Hell yeah.
So.
Hello.
And then I finally...
Like
hello. Do you like my baby voice?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Finally got it.
How long have you been alive?
That's when I forced myself awake.
I'm
Not long enough to make a difference. Too long to enjoy it.
You know, that means spiritual journey.
Why are you asking interview questions? Are you getting shy? Okay. You wanted to be interviewed. Okay, so I ran over here. Right now it's like currently like 30 degrees. I wanted to try something new. I'm in a really popular rock climbing area and I also work here, so I thought it would be cool to try something new. A lot of the people that live here are nomadic, so they're either living in their tent or their car, and I thought it'd be cool, so I got a tent. I wanted to try it out myself. It's getting cold, and I'm probably going to have to pack my tent up because I'm getting to the point where I don't want to stay in here anymore. I've met like some really good people. Everybody here is really fun. But here is another angle of my little tent. That's my little desk area. And that's my bed. Everybody's pretty much gone. place is a wasteland. Oh, can you see the rock? Probably not. That's my view. I literally can't feel my hands right now. It's so bad. I think everybody's either rock climbing right now or at the climbing gym. I'm about to go to work. So, peace out.
That was the night Eli.
But in those parking lots, there's 6 cars total. Who are the oldest? Oh!
Oh, whoa! That was crazy. We're closed. Yeah, for real, for real. Oh, sorry, we closed. Wow, this is great content. You ever seen stuff? Oh.
Hey, 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 hey.
You got me my chocolate milk.
No.
I was supposed to come up. Like, I was supposed to come down.
It is time. Yes. Yeah. So, what does it feel like to be alive?
Yeah.
For the next episode, we're going to...
We gotta go to the park.
Oh, I was thinking bonfire, and then the goal was to skate over the fire.
Yeah, well, we're not, like, good.
That's the point.
That would be fun, but I think it would be a little out of our skill. Are you, like, zooming in on me?
Yeah, how'd you know?
Oh, what a witness. It's not that fun. Sorry, this one. Got a board? Yeah. Fucking bag. No. Why did somebody open a bag of flowers and leave it here? Because. And now we just touched on their shit. God knows what they've done to that flower. It smelled like flour. Flour. Eli, you
Ew!
sensual way about you, man. In everything you do. I don't know what that is. Yeah, boy. Dude, how's that?
Rat. You're supposed to be Dwight.
I just wanna dance all night. I don't want to remember everything you did. I'm done with the hurt inside. Feel it in my. And it feels so good inside. And I always wanna feel like this. I close my.
But I mean, it sounds like a crime movie.
Action.
Alright, go. You're just behind the box. You're supposed to do this too. But you're not, but you're hiding behind the box, so
Why do I feel like I'm taking this more seriously than you?
I am taking this seriously.
Is this amateur hour? Seriously.